YouTube is hiding your videos. No one tells you this, but your channel could be stuck under the shadows, but you don't even realize. But there is one secret move that can get YouTube to push your videos to more people. Starting today, no hacks, no gimmicks. It's just a simple change that flips the switch. Stay with me for the next few minutes because I'm about to show you exactly how to get out of the YouTube void and start getting views faster. And hey, if you are serious about growing on YouTube, subscribe now because I post game-changing content each week. So here's the hard truth. Most YouTubers work so hard on their content, but YouTube refuses to push their videos. Why? Because they are making one critical mistake that kills their chances of going viral. It's not just about thumbnails and titles. It's something much deeper, something that forces the algorithm to ignore your videos, no matter how good they are. Have you ever wondered why some videos, random videos, blow up, while others, way much better, get buried? Because YouTube doesn't rank videos based on effort. It ranks videos based on something much deeper. If you don't understand this, your channel will stay invisible. But here is the good news. I'm about to show you exactly how to fix it. Now let's get into it. YouTube only cares about one thing: how long people stay on the platform. If you help them do that, they will reward you with insane views. If you don't, they will bury your content. Simple. And here's where things get interesting. There's one trick that can instantly make YouTube recognize your content as valuable, even if you have 0 subscribers. It's called the viewer retention chain. Basically, if someone watches your video and immediately leaves YouTube, that's bad. But if they watch your video and click on another video, even if it's not yours, YouTube thinks, wow, this creator is keeping people on the platform. Let's boost them. Now, here's how it gets crazy. You don't have to just hope this happens. You can engineer it. And once you do, your views start exploding. Let me show you how. At the end of your video, never just say goodbye. Instead, set up curiosity for your next video. Number 2, playlist hack. If you group your related videos into playlists, YouTube recommends them together. That means people binge watch your videos. And guess what? YouTube boosts all of them. Let me tell you something. This is the strategy that big YouTubers use to dominate. Every viral creator, from Mr. Beast to Ali Abdaal, understand the power of retention. Now you do too. But the question is, will you use it? Because once you do, I promise you, your views will start coming and popping up massively. If this video was helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button. Until we meet again, goodbye.